Contributo pada baceko kesena ketrika. Katiki ke piking ko katene ka ko. Sepa jo hakin utenuk shalpesa kinegi.
Just look at that shine coming through the foam. We're getting all the grime off the tank now with these smooth circular motions. Getting all that grime out. Look at that shine starting to appear. So clean.
We start by applying an even coat of cleaner, letting it penetrate the deep grime. Then, the specialized
Look at that shine. Almost completely dry now.
There we are, nice and secure in the tray.
And now we gently lift the fairing away, revealing the dusty internals. We'll set this down softly on the mat. Okay, the fasteners are loosened. Now we just gently pull the fairing away, exposing the engine components. Listen to that click. We'll set this aside carefully on the padded bench so it doesn't get scratched. Just a few more turns on these screws. There we go. Now let's carefully lift the lid and see what's inside.
Applying gentle pressure to the socket wrench, slowly loosening the header nuts one by one. Listen to the rust flakes fall. We call this one Project Green. A true 980s icon, being carefully brought back to life, piece by piece.
Okay, the engine mounts look solid, but this surface rust here needs attention. And the swing arm pivot is definitely oxidized. Gently brushing the rust removal gel onto these old brackets. Look at that shine starting to come through. First, we loosen the upper pinch bolts, then the lowers. Nice and smooth as they slide out. Just a little bit of fluid here, making sure it slides smoothly. Now, the seal driver.
Removing the retaining pins now, placing them gently in the tray. Next, the pads, feeling the friction. Now the pistons come out with a gentle hiss.
Gently applying the polish now. Circular motions, nice and smooth. Look at that shine coming through.
We carefully loosen the valve cover bolts in the correct sequence. Now we gently lift the cover away, revealing the freshly oiled camshafts beneath.
The service manual specifies the exact torque. Now we carefully lift the caps and remove the shafts. We start by carefully breaking the tension on the head bolts, following the factory sequence. Then, we gently lift the cylinder head straight up.
Carefully sliding the new bearing into the saddle. Now applying a thin layer of assembly lube across the surface, gently lowering the crankshaft into position. We'll just rotate the crank slightly, making sure these timing marks are absolutely perfect. And that is spot on.
so smooth. Look at how wet that looks. The clear coat is flowing perfectly. We're checking the welds now. Everything looks absolutely perfect, ready for the final assembly.
And slowly down she goes, just a little more. All right, now for the bolts. Slide right in there.
Slide the axle through smoothly. Now the nut, by hand. And finally, the torque wrench. Listen for the click. Carefully tightening the last bolt on this side. The alignment looks perfect.
Aligning the front fairing now, and the connector clicks right into place. Now for the torque wrench.
Applying the tire dressing slowly, getting that deep satin look. Now we gently buff the aluminum. The 1996 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-7RR.